Do vivid dreams mean good sleep? If you've ever woken up from a vivid dream and wondered if it's a sign of good sleep, you're not alone. Let's break down what we know about dreams and sleep quality. First, dreams occur during the REM, rapid eye movement stage of sleep, which is when your brain is most active. This stage is crucial for processing emotions, memories, and thoughts. Research suggests that having vivid dreams can be an indicator of healthy sleep, but it's not the only factor. When you have sufficient REM sleep, it can help your brain handle stressful situations better. For example, a study found that people who spent more time in REM sleep had lower fear-related brain activity when faced with mild electric shocks the next day. This implies that REM sleep, and thus vivid dreams, might be beneficial for your mental health. However, the presence of vivid dreams doesn't necessarily mean you're getting good sleep overall. Sleep quality is measured by several factors, including how quickly you fall asleep, the number of awakenings during the night, the time you spend awake after falling asleep, and the overall efficiency of your sleep. These elements are what define good sleep quality, not just the vividness of your dreams. If you rarely or never dream, it could be a sign that you're sleep deprived. But other factors, like the quality of your sleep and your ability to recall dreams, also play a role. For instance, nightmares, even if they are vivid, can actually disrupt your sleep quality if they occur frequently or are very disturbing. In terms of sleep positions, some research suggests that different positions might influence the type of dreams you have. For example, sleeping on your left side might increase the likelihood of nightmares, while sleeping on your stomach could lead to more vivid dreams. However, these findings are based on self-reporting and aren't conclusive. To ensure good sleep quality and potentially have more vivid dreams, it's important to establish a consistent sleep-wake schedule, avoid stimulants and screen time before bed, and create a relaxing bedtime routine. A cool, dark, and quiet bedroom environment also helps in achieving better sleep. In summary, while vivid dreams can be a sign of healthy REM sleep, they are just one aspect of overall sleep quality. Good sleep is about more than just dreams. It's about how well you sleep across various metrics. So if you're having vivid dreams but still feeling tired or restless, it might be worth looking into other factors that could be affecting your sleep.